So, hello all and welcome to the session everyone. Welcome back to the CBSE Class 10 Term 1 Examinations channel, Class 10 Board Exams channel. Yes, people, so welcome. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good and thank you so much in advance. I am doing great and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the VB Sir's session and welcome to the session of triangles. Yes, guys, today we are going to do top MCQs from the chapter triangles. This is one chapter where I have seen that many students say that sir triangle से डर है, ट्राइंगल से डर लगता है. तो हम यही बोलते हैं कि ट्राइंगल से डर नहीं लगता साहब, थियरम से लगता है. ठीक है. So yes, it's the same thing, but it's okay. We will be removing that fear. I will be giving you an idea about how and what kind of questions can be asked to you in your term 1 examinations with respect to triangles. We'll be solving a few MCQs with respect to the same. So just before starting the session, would like to give a short introduction about myself. Those who all don't know me, I am Vinay Bajaj, a verified educator on Unacademy for CBSE class 9, 10, 11, 12 and Maharashtra State Board class 11 and 12. I teach bookkeeping and accountancy in class 11 and 12 Maharashtra State Board. I teach economics in class 11 and 12 CBSE Board. I teach mathematics, physics and biology in class 9 and 10 CBSE Board. I have completed my masters in commerce and I have completed my bachelor's in accounting and finance, having an experience of 7.5 years now, and I am a cricketer, passionate cricketer. That's my first hobby. I am also an amateur cyclist and a nature lover, and if you really will to if you are really willing and if you really desire to have a very innovative way of learning in a very funny manner and very easy techniques to remember the concepts for long, you can use my referral code VB19 and subscribe to Unacademy. Also, you can use the code Live and subscribe to Unacademy and get a 10% discount on your subscriptions. So real numbers and polynomials, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, probability, areas related to circles, triangles, linear equations, practice paper part 1, part 2, part 3, trigonometry पे एक और सेशन, poly and linear equations पे एक और सेशन, एंड ये सारे सेशंस हमने ये मंथ में फ्री प्लेटफॉर्म पे किए अनअकैडमी के स्पेशल क्लासेस पे. तो आप मेरे प्रोफाइल में जाके देख सकते हैं. कहाँ से जाना है? द लिंक इज देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन गाइज. You can definitely go and watch all these sessions and get a very good idea of how the questions can be and a very good practice of how questions are going to be asked in the paper. ऑल्सो अक्टूबर में हमने एक गेमर्स सीरीज की थी, तो उसके क्वेश्चंस भी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होंगे आप लोगों के लिए. बाकी मेरे सारे सेशन देख लो, कोई भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा नहीं होगा जो आपको हेल्पफुल ना साबित किया जाए. The rankers batch, yes, those who have unlocked their 15 days free subscription, the offer which was valid till 28th of November, that ask 10 doubts and get 15 days subscription free. This is the thing which I was telling you, that if you have unlocked your 15 days subscription, please make the most of the rankers batch, the crash course batch and the masters batch. जितना हो सकता है करो उसमें से, विजर्ड बैच में से, ताकि आपके पास एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन बैंक हो जाए फॉर 2nd and 3rd December. The score booster batch, yes, math, science, SST, doubt clearing batch, rankers batch, crash course, each and everything is very much available to you all. Okay. And crash course, score booster, rankers batch and advanced maths marathon batch. You can ask unlimited doubts on Unacademy. Make the most of it by using my referral code Live. You can make the most out of it. Get your doubts solved instantly with respect to maths, physics, chemistry and bio. But this feature is only and only available on Unacademy's learning app on Android and iOS. You can also use my code and ask doubts. As I said to you all, this offer was valid till 28th of November, was extended for a week, and let me tell you, more than 3,000 subscriptions have been given away for free for 15 days. And yes, this was for Maharashtra State Board and CBSE class 6 to 12 and NTSC Foundation. Okay. Yes, people. Also, iconic subscription. Yes, why plus and iconic? What's the difference? I will always recommend you to take iconic subscription because it helps you to get one-on-one live homework help as well. You can make your doubt solving much more easier by booking a dedicated one-to-one session with your teacher. Doubt हो book करके clear करो. कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियरेंस चाहिए, बुक करो, सेशन क्लियर करो. मेंटरिंग सेशन चाहिए फॉर एग्जाम स्ट्रैटेजी और प्रिपरेशन फॉर एग्जामिनेशंस, बुक करो और समझो. The plus iconic, so plus gives you the basic features here at Unacademy, whereas iconic gives you all the features of Unacademy. प्लस पे भी आप मेरा यूज करके कोड सब्सक्रिप्शन ले सकते हो. आइकॉनिक पे देखोगे तो सारे फीचर्स अवेलेबल है. एंड आई एम श्योर दैट यू गाइज आर वेरी मच अवेयर ऑफ रेज अ हैंड फीचर नाउ, which is being extensively used by all the educators on Unacademy, and we are thoroughly enjoying it. If we are enjoying it, then of course I can imagine as being a learner you will be enjoying it so much. So yes, you can use my code to subscribe and use this feature. प्लस एंड आइकॉनिक के लिए एक्सक्लूसिवली अवेलेबल है. सो आज का सेशन है ट्राइंगल्स, और हम आज के सेशन को शुरू करते हैं यहाँ पे. we'll be solving 15 MCQs for triangles, and I'm just checking whether I'm covering something on the screen or not. No, I am not. So welcome. Quickly take out your notebooks, solve the question, and then we move forward. Okay. Alright people, so very simple. In the figure MN is parallel to QR, then can I say that angle PMN is equal to angle PQR, and can I say that PNM is equal to angle PRQ, both by corresponding angles, since PR is parallel, MN is parallel to QR. Therefore triangle can I say that angle triangle PMN is similar to triangle PQR? Yes. So will I get the ratio as MN upon QR is equal to PM upon PQ? Yes. MN का वैल्यू कितना है नहीं पता, QR का वैल्यू कितना है 28, PM का वैल्यू is 6, PQ का वैल्यू is 14. So therefore MN will be equal to 12 centimeters. Is it the clear to each the every the ones? You have to find MN, which is nothing but 12 centimeters. Very clear to each and every one. I am sure that it will be very clear. So let's move on to the question number 2 on your screens now. So in the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, this is BC. If AD is equal to x plus 2, okay, so AD का measurement is given to you as x plus 2, BD का measurement is given to you as x minus 2, AE का measurement is given to you as x plus 3, and EC का measurement is given to you as x minus 4. Now again this question is very simple. कैसे सॉल्व करोगे, मैं यहाँ पे आपको सॉल्व करके बता देता हूँ. By basic proportionality theorem, can I write that AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC by BPT or by Thales theorem? Bas, that's it. Substitute the values. So AD is equal to x plus 2 upon x minus 2 is equal to x plus 3 divided by x minus 4. So you will get x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 4 is equal to x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 2. इसको सॉल्व करो तो आपको मिलेगा x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. X square gets cancelled. You will get minus 2x minus 8 is equal to x minus 6. So now you will get minus 2 is equal to 3x. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So D option is absolutely correct. Is it the clear to each, the every, the ones? So this is how you solve this, and I am sure that you guys are clear. Let's move forward to the question number 3 on your screens. Start solving it. In triangle PQR, the triangle PQR is given such that PQ is equal to 4, QR is equal to 3, PR is equal to 3.5. PQR is similar to XYZ, okay, and YZ is equal to 5. Then the perimeter of XYZ is what? So again, very simple question. The perimeter of triangle PQR divided by perimeter of triangle XYZ is equal to, सपोज क्यू आर अपॉन वाई जेड ले लिया अपन ने, तो आपको मिलेगा 3 अपॉन वाई जेड. ठीक है, एंड हियर यू विल हैव पेरीमीटर इज पी क्यू प्लस क्यू आर प्लस पी आर divided by perimeter of triangle XYZ. Solving this particular thing here, so PQ is 4 plus QR is 3 plus 3.5, the whole divided by perimeter of triangle XYZ is equal to 3 divided by YZ. Therefore, you will get 10.5 into YZ is equal to 3 times the perimeter of triangle XYZ. If anything is hidden behind me, please forgive me. So you'll have 10.5 into 5 divided by 3 is equal to perimeter of XYZ. Marking a star here, doing the remaining sum on the screen with the black ink. So you'll have 10.5 into 5 divided by 3, which is nothing but 3.5 into 5, which gives you 17.5 centimeter as the perimeter. So option A is absolutely the correct answer. कितना छुप रहा है मेरे पीछे देख लेता हूँ, ज़्यादा नहीं, but it's okay. So I hope the question is very clear to everyone. Just check out the screen. You could have substituted the value of YZ पहले also. Yes, you can. Okay. Chalo. Alright people, let's move on to the next question on your screens now. Solve it. Angle M is equal to angle N. PM upon MQ is equal to PN upon NR. Then PQR is what? Then PQR is what? Very simple. ठीक है, कॉन्वर्स लगाओगे, क्या लगाओगे? कॉन्वर्स लगाओगे. किस चीज का कॉन्वर्स लगेगा? किस चीज का कॉन्वर्स लगेगा? कॉन्वर्स ऑफ द बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम, कॉन्वर्स ऑफ द बीपीटी. यस, सो यू विल बी यूजिंग द कॉन्वर्स ऑफ द बीपीटी हियर. नाउ कैसे यूज करोगे? mn is parallel to qr by converse of bpt. Angle pmn is equal to angle pqr by corresponding angles. Angle PNM is equal to angle PRQ again by corresponding angles, and angle PNM is equal to angle PMN. This is already given to you. And angle PQR, therefore ये हो जाएगा since PQR is equal to PRQ. अगर बेस एंगल्स इक्वल है तो therefore triangle PQR will be an isosceles triangle. Is it the clear to each, the every, the ones? Both this is by corresponding. This is already given to you, and this is proved by the above given equation, given information, and therefore PQR is an isosceles triangle. Why? Because equal base angles have equal sides, or sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So because PQR and PRQ is equal, so you will get PQ is equal to PR, and this makes PQR as an isosceles triangle. चले फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन पे. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन्स नाउ. Let's start with the fifth question on your screens. In the given figure, P is equal to T, PQ is equal to 6, QR is equal to 15, PR is equal to 12, RT is equal to 4. Then the value of RS is, please make sure that you keep it on 480 pixels at least so that you can see the question very clearly. Okay? So now what you have to do in this question is, in triangle PQR and triangle TSR, so PQ अपॉन TS. ठीक है, पहले तो इनको सिमिलर प्रूव कर दो. सिमिलर प्रूव करने के बाद रेशियो करेंगे, बिकॉज फर्स्ट वी हैव टू प्रूव देम सिमिलर. सो हाउ विल वी प्रूव देम सिमिलर इज वेरी सिंपल. In the very simple manner, angle P is equal to angle T. By which property? By which property? By which property? Array public given a question में. Okay. Angle PRQ is equal to angle SRT, by which vertically opposite angles. Therefore, guys, can I say that triangle PQR is similar to triangle TSR? Yes. अगर ये दोनों similar है तो can I say that PQ upon TS is equal to QR upon SR is equal to PR upon TR? Yes. So now QR upon SR को लो is equal to PR upon TR को लो. So PR is what, guys? PR will be what? QR into RT. QR into RT. Yes, I can say that. कैसे? 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 कैसे बोल सकता हूँ? कैसे भी नहीं पब्लिक, सिर्फ रेशियो को देखो. यू जस्ट हैव टू चेक आउट द रेशियो. तो RS को हमको कैलकुलेट करना है, तो RS क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल बी QR इंटू TR अपॉन PR. सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यूज. QR का वैल्यू इज 15, TR का वैल्यू इज 4, सो 15 इंटू 4 डिवाइड बाई PR इज 12, सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 5 centimeters. So B is absolutely the correct answer. All right, people, are we guys ready to move forward to the next question? Here you go with the question number 6 on your screens. Start solving it. MNP is equal to 90 degree and ON is perpendicular to MP. If ON is equal to 12 centimeter and MO is equal to 6 centimeter, then the value of OP is what? Then the value of OP is what? Again, a very simple question, guys. You can assume this. ठीक है, to be angle 1, to be angle 2, to be angle 3. ठीक है. Now, in triangle MON, can I say angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree? Yes. Can I say angle 2 plus angle 3 is also equal to 90 degree? Also लिख के, क्योंकि वो ट्राइंगल का पार्ट नहीं है. Therefore, can I say that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3? Yes. Therefore, can I say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3? हाँ, ये तो सही बात है सर. अब इसके बाद सिमिलैरिटी प्रूव करेंगे. तो कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? इन ट्राइंगल MON and triangle NOP, can I say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3? Yes. Can I say that ON upon OP is equal to OM upon ON? कैसे बोल सकता हूँ मैं ये? कैसे क्या, कैसे भी बोल सकता हूँ. सो मुझे क्या मिलेगा इसको सॉल्व करने पे? आई विल गेट ON square is equal to OM into OP, which is which is nothing but we have to find OP. So OP is equal to ON square upon OM. So you will get your answer as 24 centimeters. Is it the clear to each the ones? चलते हैं सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन की ओर. स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. इट इज वन ऑफ द easiest questions. Solve it, people. In triangle ABC, angle A is an obtuse angle, PB is perpendicular to PC and QC is perpendicular to QB. Then the value of AB into AQ is. So now, can I say that angle BPC is equal to angle CQB is equal to 90 degree? Yes. Can I take in triangle APB and triangle AQC, prove them similar? How? Angle APB is equal to angle AQC, each 90 degree. ठीक है. And angle PAB is equal to angle QAC. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle APB is similar to triangle AQC. That means AB upon AC is equal to AP upon AQ is equal to BP upon QC. Now, what you have to take is AB upon AC is equal to AP upon AQ. So therefore AB into AQ is equal to AC into AP. तो AC into AP मतलब B is the correct answer. That's it. So question number 7 done. I guess I'm not hiding anything. Nope. Question number 7 also done. Let's move on to question number 8 on your screens. If two coconut trees 15 and 25 meter high, ठीक है, दो कोकोनट ट्री है 15 and 25 मीटर हाई, तो अब BS विल बी 70 माइनस A. अगर मैं इसको A लेता हूं तो yes. Now AB is perpendicular to BQ, PQ is perpendicular to BQ, and therefore RS will also be perpendicular to this. Yes. So now we will take two triangles. कौन से two triangles? We will first take ABQ. So in triangle ABQ and which triangle? We'll take RSQ. RSQ. अब इसमें क्या दिख रहा है आपको? इक्वल. AQB is common. So angle AQB is equal to angle RQS, common angles. Yes. And angle QBA is equal to angle RSQ. They are corresponding angles. Therefore triangle ABQ is similar to triangle RSQ by Bayes-Judson test, by AA test. All right. If they are similar, can I use the BPT then and write it as AB upon RS is equal to BQ upon SQ? Yes. So I will get what? After substitution I will get AB is 25 suppose, and RS is H is equal to BQ is 70 minus A plus A, and divide by SQ is A. Solve this particular thing. So you will get 25 upon H is equal to 70 upon A. Therefore A will be equal to what? 70H upon 25. So A is equal to 14H upon 5. So A की वैल्यू आपको मिल गई 14H upon 5. Now we will use another triangles. ठीक है, अब लो ट्रायंगल आर एस बी. सो इन ट्रायंगल आर एस बी एंड ट्रायंगल पी क्यू एस, sorry, पी क्यू बी, what all things will be there? Angle RBS will be equal to angle PBQ, common angles. Angle RSB will be similarly भी लिख सकते हो angle PQB, corresponding angles. Therefore triangle RSB is similar to triangle PQB. Yes, so therefore you will get RS upon PQ is equal to BS upon BQ. That is H upon 15 is equal to 70 minus A upon BQ है ना. So BQ plus A upon, you will get BQ is 70. So BS is 70 minus A ना. Sorry, plus A नहीं आएगा. So now therefore H will be equal to how much? Therefore H will be equal to how much? You will have 15 multiplied by 70 minus A divided by 70. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ एच एज. ठीक है, अगर आप ऐसे भी करोगे तो भी सही है. अब आई विल हैव टू इंसर्ट अ स्लाइड, सो जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकेंड, लेट मी इंसर्ट अ स्लाइड. So that I can solve it for you all. ठीक है, चलो, all right. So now H is equal to 70 minus A divided by 70 and 15. So 3s are and 14s are. So 14H is equal to 210 minus 3A you will get. So you will get 3A is equal to 210 minus 14H. So A की वैल्यू क्या थी आपके पास? 14H upon 5 is equal to 210 minus 14H. So you'll have 14H plus 14H, ये divide by 5 is equal to 210. So you will get 14H plus 5 zeros are 5 fours are 20, 0 to carry over, 70H divided by 5 is equal to 210. So you will get 84H is equal to 210 into 5. So H is equal to 210 into 5 upon 84. So this will be 12s, this will be 30s, this will be 6s, this will be 15s, this will be 5s, and this will be 3s. Sorry, 2s. So you will have H is equal to 25 upon 2. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया, पता लगा. ओ 1 minute guys. So this becomes 14H is equal to now. So you will have, okay, we'll solve it in an easy manner ना. इजी तरीके से सॉल्व करते हैं. छोटी सी मिस्टेक कर दी, सो वेरी सॉरी. So 14H is equal to इतना. So 14, what is the value of H? Value of H will be 5A upon 14 is equal to 210 minus 3A. So you will get 5A plus 3A is equal to 210. So 8A is equal to 210. So A will be equal to 210 divided by 8. Therefore, A is equal to 105 divided by 4 meters. Therefore, H is equal to 5A upon 14. So 5 into 105 upon 4 into 14. So you will get how much? You will get 921 upon 56 meters. So 921 upon 56 meters. C is absolutely the correct answer. Is it the clear to each, the every, the ones? Alright, let's move on to the question number 9 on your screens. Start doing it, people. Question number 9. Diagonal of a trapezium ABCD intersect each other at a point O. AB is parallel to CD and AB is to CD is equal to 2:3. Then the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and triangle COD is what? बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल है. AB is to CD दिया हुआ है तुमका. 2:3. So what you have to take in triangle AOB and triangle DOC, angle BOA is equal to angle DOC by vertically opposite angles, and then angle CAB is equal to angle DCO by alternate interior angles. Since it is given to you that AB is parallel to CD, therefore triangle AOB is similar to triangle DOC. Very the clear to each, the every, the ones? Yes. By which test? By AA similarity test. Therefore, area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle DOC is equal to AB square upon CD square, which is nothing but 2/3 the whole square. So the correct answer is 4/9. So option A is absolutely correct. I am sure that you are very clear till here. चले अगले क्वेश्चन पर. Let's move forward to the next question on your screens. Two isosceles triangles have equal vertical angles and their areas are in the ratio of 49:64. So ratio of their corresponding heights is what? अब बेबी सम है, तनिक फटाफट कीजिएगा. Just draw two triangles like this. I am drawing them in rough. ये हो गई दोनों की height. Suppose you name it as A, B, D, C. Suppose you name it as P, Q, R and S. ठीक है. Angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle C because they are already similar. And angle Q is equal to angle R. ठीक है. Isosceles है तो equal vertical angles है उनके, तो ये हम लिख सकते हैं by AA criteria. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AP upon AD आएगा, सॉरी, AD upon PS. So AD upon PS the whole square. So AD upon ratio of their areas is 49/64 is equal to AD upon PS. ये हो जाएगा अंडर रूट. So 7 divided by 8 is equal to AD upon PS. So 7:8 is absolutely the correct answer. Is it the clear to each, the every, the ones? Alright people, let's move on to the next one. Find the height of AC. Very the simple the question. ठीक है. Internal bisector theorem use करना है. So in triangle ABC, AD is the bisector. It's already given. AD is the bisector of एंगल ए, ठीक है. सो देयरफॉर BD अपॉन CD is equal to AB upon AC. How? By internal bisector theorem. ये मैंने प्लस पे कराया हुआ है और आइकॉनिक पे माइंड मैपिंग में पूरा थियरम हमने रिवाइज किया था. सो BD का वैल्यू इज 6, CD का वैल्यू इज 8, AB का वैल्यू इज 6, AC का वैल्यू इज पता नहीं. सो देयरफॉर AC will be equal to how much? 6 और 6 तो हट गया, 8 centimeters. Is it correct? Just let me check. AB is 6, yes. BD is 6 and CD is 8. Okay. So 8 centimeter is the correct answer guys. D option में 8 centimeter होना चाहिए, ठीक है. So I hope it is very clear to everyone. Let's move forward quickly to the next question. Start solving. It is a very simple sum. Question number 12. पिछले वाले में ऑप्शंस को इग्नोर करना, सोल्यूशन को याद रखना. बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल है गाइस. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. एक ट्रायंगल बना लो, ठीक है. एंड सपोज दिस साइड इज x, सो लेट द लेंथ ऑफ द शॉर्टेस्ट साइड बी x. तो हाइपो के लिए क्या बोला है? ट्वाइस प्लस 6 एंड थर्ड साइड इज 2 लेस देन द हाइपोटेन्यूस, सो इट विल बी 2x प्लस 4. अब सॉल्व कर दो. x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 4 the whole square is equal to 2x plus 6 the whole square. So x square plus 4x square plus 16 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So 16x is equal to 4x square plus 36 plus 24x. x square. Now what you have here is 4x square और 4x square हट जाएगा. This and this gets cancelled and you will have x square plus 16x minus 24x plus 16 minus 36 is equal to 0. So you will have x square minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. Split the middle term. So x square minus 10x, sorry, minus 10x plus 2x minus 20 is equal to 0. x minus 10 plus 2 को कॉमन लो, x minus 10 is equal to 0. So या तो x is equal to 10 और x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is not possible, ठीक है. So 10 is the correct answer. So 10, 24 and 26 after substituting you get your final answers. And I am sure guys that you are very clear till the 12th question. Okay, so now the 13, 14 and 15 we have done it on plus, and you can definitely watch it and make the notes of the same. These are the sessions which will help you to frame your question banks and AMA series की special classes. सबकी link, मेरे profile की link मेरे description में है ये video के. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Also like and share the video if you think that it was helpful for you, and you can help your friends by sharing this particular video. So please make the most of it, and you can use my referral code VinaySirLive to subscribe Unacademy. Here's your one of the favorite educators wishing you a very 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 good luck for your term 1. All the very best. Please make sure that you make the most of your term 1 examinations. They will help you a lot to increase your marks and average out your percentage very 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 easily. So make the most out of it guys. Lots of love, good wishes and very 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 good luck. All the very best. Please convey my wishes to your friends also कि मस्त पेपर तोड़ फोड़ के रख देना, अच्छे से करना, सर्कल बराबर से करना, क्वेश्चन सही तरीके से पढ़ना, जो ऑप्शन आपको लगता है सही है उसी को ही एनसर्कल करना, कोई और को मत कर देना. and all the very best, guys. Till then, I am signing off for the day, and greetings for the day to you all. Lots of love and good wishes. Please make sure that you're staying safe and stay healthy, stay fit, keep studying. All the very best. God bless you all. This is Vinay Bajaj signing off. Till then, take care.